Hello, hello, hello. It's only 1 week away from the Hidden Secrets Live Your Best Life. We are going to be out in Canmore. This is Brigitte Lessard, who's going to be our amazing MC from Women Talk. What are you going to do for us?
Woohoo! I'm so excited because I love Canmore. It's such an inspiring place. Actually, you and I were there about a couple of years ago when I was going through some really rough times, and we walked around, and there's just magical energy there. So that's a bonus. And I'm gonna be your MC. I'm just gonna be a pretty face, really. That's what I'm there for.
No, you're bringing the fun because I can be a little serious about what I'm teaching.
That's right. And I'm also going to share my story with you people because I've got a couple stories and I'm going to blow your mind as far as manifestation because that's what the day is all going to be about is dreaming and bringing in the most amazing life that you can get for yourself.
Yeah, it's
You've
about
got some of
clarity.
that too.
Yeah, I've manifested Mexico 2 years in a row, plus other things.
Oh, sure, rub it in.
But seriously, when was the last time you took a day for yourself? When was the last day when you really got clear? What are my dreams? What experiences would I like to have? What is it that I want to recreate? It's been a couple of rough years, and maybe this is a new beginning, maybe new possibilities for you.
That's right. You know what I was thinking? It's almost like a 3D printer. A day that's a 3D print. Like, people do their dream boards and their journaling and all, but imagine having other people dreaming the dream with you and putting out there some amazing vibe. That makes things happen so much faster. I'm actually going to share with you the little trick that I've been using to rebuild my life because, well, COVID kind of blew it up for me. Every once in a while, it's like hand grenade, boom, you're starting over. So, as hard as that is, it's also an absolutely amazing opportunity to
Yes.
rebuild, redesign. And that's what we're going to be doing all day long.
I'm going to teach you the processes to do that with vibrational energy and the law of attraction and spiritual concepts. And I've invited Marilyn Young, brilliant, intuitive, one of my favorite go-to gals when I'm struggling, when I need an outside perspective, when I need insights. She's very intuitive and helps me out. And she's going to be doing readings. So come on out and have a reading.
It's going to be amazing. Sometimes we're just too busy and we don't take the time to do this. And why? I'm the same. I don't always do it. But when you do it and you focus on it, it's amazing. Wait till you hear my story. It's going to blow your mind.
Imagine vibrational energy of the mountains, all of us together at the same time, creating what we want in our life to live our best life. It's going to be very powerful. Come on out and join us. And you know what? You can drive out in the morning or you can come out Friday night, stay for supper afterwards. This is a day for you. Come on out and join us.
Yeah, we're going to go for dinner when it's all said and done. So you're more than welcome to join us. And really, it's going to be a fabulous time together, no matter what. So if you've gone through a divorce, you've lost a business, you've had a really rough go through COVID, or you simply just want more out of life,
Yeah.
that day is for you right there.
Come and join us. We'll see you there, April 29th, next Saturday. Bye for now.
Bye bye.